In this video, I'll show you how to add a logo in Brevo email templates. So here we are in Brevo, and what we want to do is go over to our marketing section, and then we're going to click on email, and then we just need to name our campaign and just hit create campaign. Now here we've got quite a bit of information that we need to fill out, but for what we need to do in this tutorial, we'll just click on start design. And now we just need to choose what type of templates we want to use. So I'll use a basic template, but that is fully up to you. And then I'm just going to pick this one here. And now you'll see there is a logo option, but we're not going to use that because I haven't set up my logos yet. But what we can do is use an image. So I'll just drag and drop the image box over here. And then I can just click on it where it says replace. And now I can just go to my files and hit upload. And I can select any image and just hit open. For this, I'll just use a stock image though, and just click insert. And there you go. Done and complete. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.